Gold and silver rather both has shown a good swing yesterday, achieving the lows at 2140 and 1910 levels, and has been traded in range throughout yesterday. Now, what to expect today? Can we expect a rally again, as we have seen lot much of resistance on the downside? So, can we expect a rise, or is it again going to drop? And if yes, which position you should take in order to profit today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. The next update will be released before the US session, precisely 10 hours from now. Do watch that also. Let's start. First, to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. Listen to it carefully, note down the levels. Now, see, look at the hourly charts. Consolidation, breakout, then you can say increasing trend, then consolidation, then breakout, and now again a consolidation. So yes, it is still bullish, it is creating higher lows. At the same time, look at the hourly charts, it is also giving you lower highs, higher lows. So possibly we have to be watchful in between till 1935, because see, yesterday it tried to breach beyond 1930. So till 1935 let's be watchful, and beyond that we may see it hitting 1945, 1950, and then 1960 levels. So till 1935 let's be watchful and cautious. And in fact, if you look at the hourly charts, in the recent charts, it is trying to show you breakout. This is the first candle, also this is the top of the Bollinger Bands, and hence it may try to stress the rally such that the width of the Bollinger Bands get expanded, and then it can continue with the bull run. So right now, yes, it is giving a breakout. Any sell entry is below 1918, and rather I will say 1915 levels, below which only little more bearishness might take it for 1910 and then 1905 levels. Stochastic at the top, MACD trying to cross over for a buy here, and the RSI is also looking upwards, showing a little strength. And if you look at the 2-hour chart, this is precisely consolidation. We have to wait for it to give a breakout. Yes, see, in fact, as I said, 1930, 1935, 1940, this zone, you have to wait for it to break out and then confirm the move. Yes, you can buy at 1930 and expect it to rise a more. However, right now, higher lows, higher highs, and you have to be watchful till 1930. Stochastic seen rising, MACD is seen converging, RSI also trying to look upward, show a little strength. And if you look at 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts also, this is precisely forming a good flag here. A breakout should be expected any which ways. Stochastic is seen rising, MACD is trading bearish here with little divergence. It is willing to converge crossover, however it has failed to do so. So here it is crossed over, diverged till here, then convergence, then again trying to diverge, and now trying to at last with a couple of green candles showing a conversion, but not yet crossed over. Remember this fact. RSI showing a little strength, trying to look upwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts. Once again, same observation, nothing different. And see, on the hourly charts, 2-hour charts, 3-hour charts, 4-hour charts, it is confirmed that right now it is in a consolidation phase, and hence we have to be watchful here. The MACD is bearish, it has not yet crossed over. RSI trying to look upwards. And if you look at the daily charts, now see the daily charts, look at yesterday's candle and the today's candle. See, lower highs are done, higher lows are formed. In fact, yesterday also we have seen. And if you confirm here, see, if you draw a line from here, you can find out 1930, 32 is again going to be a good resistance, and then 1935. Only and only if it trades above 1935, we can confirm that it is bullish. The entire trading day is left in front of us. This is just the beginning with the Asia session, then Europe session, then US session, and definitely it might bring little volatility. Till 1935, do not consider this as bullish, and it can possibly reverse, because see, if you look at, it has also formed a tail here. So possibly achieving highs, it can completely reverse and trade in red. There is a possibility for this, and in fact it can drop till towards 1910, 1905 levels. Now see, the stochastic on the daily charts is consistently trading overbought, and hence a little drop cannot be denied there. The MACD divergent and bullish, it can probably start to converge, and the RSI is very near to the overbought zone. Now considering this, see, a safer buy entries above 1935. See, let it achieve a further highs, and then you can consider that it is trying to give a breakout and it will continue and resume the rally here. So buy at 1935 and sell at 1920 here. With 1920 you can expect 1950, 1910, 1905 as the major supports there, and below that we may see it dropping below 1900 and 1890 levels. So sell at 1920, wait for it to drop till towards 19, and please trail your stop losses because we already know that it is still trading in the bullish zone. It is still trying to trade bullish and it can reverse any point of time, and there are already, we have seen the trading hours are more, we can see, we can expect that it can show you good swings throughout multiple sessions, and hence you have to be trailing your stop losses on the downside with the $5 trailing stop loss. Take your trades accordingly. In between 1920 and 1935, do not trade. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 20th batch starts on 20th of March. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at silver's hourly chart. See, first of all, it was trading bullish here. This is the channel, tried to show you breakout, once again falling back, and now see a downward move. So upward move, downward move negated, and now again back in the channel here. So that is the first part. Now second part you should look at, see once again 2190 giving it a slight resistance here, and 2170 is a good support. See till 22, and then on the downside 2160, this zone at 40 cents is important here. I will recommend you to buy here at 22 today, only 22 you can buy, expect 22.10, 22.20, and then 22.40 and 22.60 levels can be seen there. That is the first part, so you can remain long about 22 only. At the same time, any sell entry should be taken at 21.70, however with a trailing stop loss of 10 cents there. The stochastic is overbought on the early charts. The MACD is crossing over for a buy here, see, and it is looking upwards right now. It is showing the strength right now. RSI is also trading, trying to show little bullishness and looking upwards. Now look at the 2-hour charts. Likewise, see on the 2-hour charts, wait for it to see. On the 2-hour charts also similar is the formation. However, right now it is giving you lower highs, lower lows, and hence wait for it to break past 22 in order to confirm a rise. Stochastic looking up. MACD trying to cross over for a buy. Right now it is still trading bearish. RSI is also looking upward, showing a little strength. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, on the 3-hour chart, see after taking the support here, it is trying to reverse, trying to rise. Let's see how far it stretches. 22 certainly going to be a good resistance. Beyond 22 only bullishness is confirmed. So buy at 22, sell at 21.70 for this 30 cents. Let's be watchful. Stochastic looking up. MACD bearish trying to converge. RSI trading upside, looking upside, showing a little. And now look at the 4-hour chart. See one sharp red candle, and this is still to be considered retracement. Is the complete movement is engulfed between the previous candle. Now see, the previous candle was a sharp one, and now these 3 candles should be considered for a retracement. It can reverse completely from here. Possibility exists for this. Stochastic is seen rising, looking upwards. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge crossover. RSI is trying to look upwards. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts and look at last 3 moves here. See previous 2 moves, specifically lower highs, lower lows, and hence that is why I say if you see it trading about 22, probably it can show you further strength from there, taking it for 22.10, 22.20, and then in fact we can see 22.40, 50 levels also. Now see, this is precisely consolidating. Why it is consolidating? Because we had seen a very good bullish candle, and now it is waiting for a good bullish breakout, and once it breaks out, certainly it is going to show you very good bullish momentum, and at the same time dropping below 2140 can bring the bears also. That is also very much possible. The stochastic is at highs there. The MACD is trading with divergence, looking upwards, showing strength. See, this is vertical upwards, and see at this point we had seen in our analysis triple bottom is seen on MACD, and it is once it crosses over, it will bring bullishness. See, from 20 to 22 it is achieved in a 1 week itself. RSI also trying to look upwards, showing a little strength, and you can also see this is being shown in the RSI. See one sharp rise, and now it is trying to consolidate, again trying to look upwards. From here a breakout should bring more bullishness, and hence above 22 till 2010, 2210 and 2220, these two levels, just be cautious. Beyond that, it can try to fly high for 2240, 2260 levels, and on the upside, sky is the limit. On the downside, yes, you can sell here at 2170, but then expect 2160, 50, 40. Below 40 only, we can expect that $21 and 2080 levels will be seen, and a good drop can be expected there. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.